Hell yeah. In honor of the Braves, we're gonna shoot this out. Native cracker. Y'all know what it is. Go Braves. We got this World Series. Fuck 'em. Yes. Go Braves. In honor of putting Houston to sleep with them silent nights. Off the porch. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Go Braves. Break the curse. One more time. The Braves 1995 is put to rest. We done won another one. We done beat the Houston Astros when didn't nobody pick us. Fuck them. Let's put them all to bed. Everybody that didn't pick us. Night night. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Go Braves. Chop, 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 motherfuckers. Alright, we done won the motherfucking World Series. We beat their ass. Fuck Houston. Fuck the refs. Let's make some noise. This is a 25 shot. That's a one shot. 175. In honor of the, I guess that's what, 26 years since we won it last, 1995. Fuck it. Let's make some noise. It's after midnight. Making noise tonight. And stuff. This is for the 26th. Hell yeah, go Braves. We got this shit. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, go Braves. Get that gunfire out before I do.